This Purina Layena Crumbles is our feed of choice. We especially like the prebiotics and probiotics, and then of course the protein, lots of protein. If you've looked up this Oyster Strong system, it's kind of like a immediate protein source and a delayed protein source. So it's good for the chickens and the eggs. So they've already eaten this morning, but I'm gonna go ahead and feed them again. Leave this out this afternoon. So we'll go down and check the chickens. We've been happy with these crumbles. We also do the pellets from time to time, but I think the crumbles are the favorite of the chickens. I think they probably digest easier. So we're heading down here. It's really hot out here, over 100 degrees. So they're probably gonna be hiding in the shade. Nope, no, they're coming, they're hungry. All right, Daisy, here, Iris. All right.